Right, it's Friday, March 10th. I'm doing stitching again. I think the last work I did stitching a thread on was Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series drawing, artwork 43 of the 2 Egyptian political prisoners. All right, I'm doing, I did double-threaded stitching around this allegorical sea monster. So I'm kind of lower right, and I'm doing single thread stitching around most of this large allegorical sea monster at upper right. So we're looking at this sideways. See if I can do this with one hand. If I can try. Switch hands for the camera. Use my elbow to hold the paper still. Well, we can just get an idea here. Pull that through. Getting some exercise in over there, that's great. But he's flying. All right. Okay, that's it for now. Let's take a quick look and see what we have here. The whole thing in progress. The 2 murdered French colonial Senegalese soldiers, black soldiers murdered by Wehrmacht Nazi troops near Lyon, France in 1940. All right, so we continue